Welcome everybody to Finds of Yesterday. Today we're going to show you how to run a sale on your eBay store. The first thing you need to do is go to your sell tab, which is up on the top, and then you'll see these tabs across here that say marketing. You want to hover over that, and then promotions is in the drop-down list. Click on promotions, and it brings you to this promotion screen. Over on the right side is Create a Promotion tab. It has a little arrow, so we have different options here. We can do it just an order discount, a shipping discount, volume pricing, codeless coupon, or a sale event and markdown. Today we're doing the sale event and markdown, and it brings you to the first screen, which we're going to do our discount first, then we're going to select the items we want, and then we're going to review it and launch it. So choosing your discount, there's a little drop down tab here for you to pick which amount you want to start with. I'm doing a 35% off, or you can click this little tab that says take a certain dollar amount off of each item, which you could do. It looks like $5 is the lowest you can take off on this for some reason. Let me see if I can type in one. No, it's not letting me do one. So anyway, I'm going back up here to the taking 35% off tab, and then I'm going to select my items next. This first box is where you would select your items. Up to 500 you can do in a promotion, or you can create rules using categories, and you can do up to 10,000 items per promotion. But I'm going to do the select items, and on this screen it pulls up all your items, and you get to choose which items you want. In this store, I have 531 items, so you can do up to 500 in a sale event. So I'm going to have to pick and choose which ones I want. I'm picking the ones that are that have been on my site for way too long, and it's time to get rid of them. So days on site, it shows you can sort it to how many days it's been on your site, and I'm going to pull up the longest, which is 575. It's time for this item to go, so I'm putting it at 35% off for the weekend. So right here you can choose what category. You can choose categories if you want to do your eBay categories or your store categories, or just have it pull up all your inventory, which is what I did. In the price, if you want to select items that are between a certain price range, that's where you would put this. Like I don't want to sell items that are under $10 at 35% off. So I'm going to put $9.99 as the lowest to say $125. I have a chair on here for $159. I don't want to discount that 35% off, so I'm going to keep it under that amount. You can also choose search by your item titles if you want, or how many days they've been on the site. If you want to go from 50 days on site to 300, you can put that amount in here. But this is what I'm filtering. So I want to choose everything that's on here. It's just faster and easier. And all of these items seem to be above $9.99, which is what I want. Here's a couple that are $9.99 and it included them, and that's good. And if I scroll all the way down to the bottom, well, first I want to make sure that chair is not on here. I'm not seeing it. Should have been in this general area. So, okay, I'm scrolling all the way down to the bottom, and I have two pages. So the first page is all checked. These boxes are all checked, so it includes all of them, items up to 345 days. Let me go to the second page, and you'll notice that these items are not checked yet. So I'm going to go back up to the top, and I'm going to select all of them as well. Now I'm up to 389 out of 500. I can still put more on there if I want, but let me scroll through and see what we have here. Okay. Yeah, these are items that have been on here a while, and it's time to let a lot of these go at a cheaper price. And we'll probably run the sale for a couple days, a weekend sale, just to get items moving. Okay, that's about it. I think I'm down to, these have been on for 44 days. I'm going to leave them all on sale. So I'm going to confirm my selections. And you have the option over here to remove any particular item if you don't want it included. And once you confirm all that, you hit save and review. And here is the sale event name. I'm going to say weekend deals. Save up to 35%. I'm going to copy that because I'm going to use that later. And include skipped items when they qualify. You might want to uncheck that or check that. And this date is the most important thing. March 21st is the day I want to start. Let's start it at noon. And then it goes for about a month. It defaults to a month, so you want to make sure you put it on the end date that you're looking for. I'm just doing it for the weekend. Then we go down here, and I'm going to paste that name into the sale event description. And then this right here gives you the option to choose a picture. If you want to select a different picture to come up for your sale, I'm just going to keep the camera on here, and then you hit launch. And it's as easy as that. Now you see it scheduled, and I've scheduled another one here, so I'm going to delete that one. So now you got one scheduled, and it should launch at noon, and you should be good to go until Monday. That's all it takes. So thank you for joining us at Finds of Yesterday. Hope this helped. Give me a thumbs up if it did. Thank you. Have a great night.